Hello guys, welcome back to Engineer Studio YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you if you are facing no module found error and OpenCV while you're working in OpenCV Python. Hope you started to work in OpenCV Python by watching my tutorials on OpenCV for beginners. So I have written this article for which I'm following right now to solve the no module name cv2 error. So I'm going to solve this error in two of the platform. One is macOS and the second one is Windows. So let me start with the macOS. So this is my terminal. Suppose I write Python and I'm trying to import cv2 in my program. So it's showing me no module named cv2. So I'm right now on macOS. So macOS has its inbuilt Python install and it came with a system itself when I purchased it. No one can remove this Python version from macOS. So you have to check which version of Python you are using for importing cv2 library in your program. Okay, so I'm existing. Now if I try to install it using pip install OpenCV Python. Pip is a module management tool in Python that's used to install various kind of libraries of Python. Okay, it's just give me an error as NumPy cannot uninstall NumPy. It is the shooter install project. Okay, so it's basically saying me that it's unable to uninstall NumPy of my macOS 2.7 Python version. So instead of working on my pre-built Python 2.7 version of macOS, now I have installed Python 3. So you can install multiple Python version even on Windows and even on macOS or Linux, maybe whatever operating system you're working on. You can install multiple Python version on your system. So let me just run Python version 3. So if I try to import it here, import cv2, so it's just showing me import was successful. It doesn't show me any error, right? So it's showing me because I have installed OpenCV in my Python 3 version by using pip3 install OpenCV Python. So if you don't know, pip3 works for the Python version above Python 3 and Python 3 itself, and pip version works below Python 3. So you are wondering that why I installed OpenCV using pip and why I'm not able to import it in my current program. Then you may want to check that which Python version you are using for your current program and which pip version you use for installing OpenCV Python in your Python interpreter. So this is the basic issue much user are facing who are on macOS. Now let me show you some other cases that may be occur in your system. So first I told you that multiple Python version in macOS, that's one possibility. Now the other one is if you are having multiple Python installed and the python path is environment variable. Environment variable exists in macOS also, Linux also, and Windows also. So if your environment variable is Python path is set to the another version of Python, say Python 2.7, Python 3, Python 3.6, or another version apart from where or which version you are using for your program to be run on your platform, so it will not going to solve your problem. So you have to check your Python path value. If you are not having Python path variable in your environment set of the variable, then you can add Python path variable. This is the macOS or say Linux this syntax. For Windows, you can simply type environment variable on your search bar, and from there you can add key as Python and value as your site packages for Python onto which you are running your current program. Okay, so if I talk about solving no module name cv2 in Windows, for it you have to check whether you are using pip or pip3. If you have pip or pip3, then if you are using Python 3 as interpreter, then you have to use pip3, or below Python 3, then you have to use pip. And if you are facing any error during installation of OpenCV Python module, then you can upgrade the pip version by using this syntax: python-m space pip space install space upgrade space pip. And after upgrading the pip version, you can again try to install OpenCV Python using pip or pip3 install OpenCV Python syntax. So as I told you, the multiple version of Python installed on your machine, whether it is macOS or Windows, then you're gonna have problem of pip version also, and you're gonna have a problem of setting environment variable to find the site packages for your Python interpreter. So you need to check which version of pip you are using to install the OpenCV Python module. If you are running, again I'm telling you, for the Windows, if you are running Python 3 or Python above the Python 3 as interpreter for running your program, then you have to install all your modules including OpenCV Python using pip3 version only. And similarly, if you are using below Python 3, then you compulsory have to use pip. So these are the two cases how you can solve the no module found error in macOS or Windows. The another third, maybe some people are using Anaconda. Anaconda is package management system like pip, but Anaconda comes with pre-installed Python also and some libraries that are daily use libraries. It comes with pre-install like NumPy and OpenCV, maybe OpenCV, and another libraries that are as per their definition comes under the daily use. And so if you are facing any error using Anaconda, then you can update the Anaconda navigator, and then you can update the navigator updater, and then you can try to install using Anaconda syntax conda install cconda forge OpenCV.